It's your favorite loc, lifestyle, and solo travel creator, Nubia here, and today I will be combining henna and indigo for the first time to color my locks. After the blonde bleach disaster, after a few weeks, the hair just looks lackluster and it needs a little bit of oomph. Let's get into it. This is what the dye looks like. It's a lot waterier than I expected. I would also put some sheets around everywhere. I used to be really paranoid about this process, but now I kind of don't care. I just wipe it up however I need be. You will definitely want to have some gloves, and I also recommend that you grab some hair ties as well, unless you quite literally couldn't care less. So let's get started. I love henna because it's the only dye that strengthens your locks while coloring them. When you add that with indigo at the same time, you get a dark brown. And if you do them separately, you get a black. If you do henna just by itself, you get more of a orange brown, orange reddish brown. Regardless, the process is long, but it's so worth it because of the benefits that you get. Even if you don't even do it for the color itself, the benefits you get, period, so worth it. I am about to wash out the henna. I'm going to wash it out of my hair, and then I'm going to put conditioner on it afterwards. This is the conditioner I'm going to put on it. I'll be using Whole Blend's repairing conditioner. Apply this, let it sit probably like 2-3 minutes, and then wash it out. All right, you guys ready? Let's get into it. Okay, this is the color first day. The thing is with henna is in different shades it looks different. Like in pictures, every single picture looks different. Conditioner that I used was overly soft, y'all. Like my hair doesn't feel like henna was put into it. I see the hue of my hair is still like that reddish brownish, but when you really look at it right here, it looks a lot darker. So what are your next steps? Very simple, y'all. Usually I don't wash my hair at all until my next wash day, but if you are the type to be like, oh my gosh, I just cannot, like I have to I have to wash my hair, do not wash your hair until 48 hours after the last time you washed the henna out of your hair. Do not apply any oils until 48 hours after you have had the henna sit in your hair. I really even recommend waiting 72 hours. I will come back to y'all in 72 hours with what my hair looks like after. Okay, see you then. I really got like a dark chocolate brown. That's what I will say. It's definitely like a dark chocolate brown. I still feel confident, I still feel cute, and also there's so many health benefits to using henna and indigo in your hair, especially those of you who are recovering from bleach damage. If you guys want me to show you how to get it black, which is a much longer process, let me know and I will do that. Or if you just want to see henna period, I have a video up here showing you the process. Thank you guys again. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you want more look inside my life outside of locks, more aesthetics, traveling and whatnot, looking cute, blah blah blah. And I will catch you later. Bye.